Well, what we see today is low price. Low price of oil means it's very difficult to make decisions. It's very hard to figure out what they need to do to get cash flow, how to get production up. They're concerned with timescales for decision making, being able to make the right decisions that optimize the shareholder return as fast as possible and be able to really constrain their costs. Traditionally, customers are using a very deterministic method to predict what the outcomes are going to be. So they may have a single model, single outcome, and then they can do a cost analysis to determine at that price of oil whether that's going to be economic. In a more challenging cost environment where they're really focused on financial risk, really focused on costs, they need a better range, better constraints on that risk to be able to determine whether or not it's economic. We have a really nice system that we're trying to show our clients, that our clients are trying to take, where it allows you to integrate strategic decision making with tactical decision making. So essentially, your tactical side, you're looking at, how do I adjust my production? How do I automate my fields? Get the high precision measurement that Emerson offers today, like really high tech stuff. Get that into a decision making process to know how to optimize set points like chokes, valves, turn on gas lift, those kinds of things. That's the tactical side. Our system allows you to integrate that with the strategic stuff like drilling wells, buying or selling assets, etc. And customers used to do that. They still do it. Everybody does it, but it's taken years to do. Now we can do that in a matter of days or weeks. Most of our customers already have some kind of geologic modeling software. They may have some kind of reservoir simulation software. But they're not using that to communicate with the day-to-day production people. Those are more on the strategic side. And so it's about being able to make that relevant on a day-to-day time scale to the production folks that gets those two groups talking together. The big thing that people need to understand is that we can't work in silos anymore. We have to be integrated, and we'll get the most productivity gains by integrating our teams. And you can't do that just by wishing it to be so. You really have to make an effort, both on the cultural side in a company, also on the technical side, getting the right tools in place to do that. And having a system that links high precision measurement, control systems, subsurface, and the sort of strategic elements, having a system that links all that together gives value right at the top of the food chain to the CEO, to the VPs, etc., because it turns into dollars for the shareholders. So it's about making your company more profitable on a daily basis. It's a path and it's a process, and I think that's really important to note, is it takes time to get there. And we have a fantastic team of experts in Emerson that can help you, develop a system that works for your company. You may have a company that deals in a single kind of play. We can customize a solution that'll help you get the most out of that kind of play. If you're a complex international oil and gas company, we work with you too. We can help you get a management system that'll balance all of your different assets and get finally a better solution, more profitability.